Hey everyone, so in this video I'll tell you about how to install Docker, how to configure Docker in your system. So this is a VS Code application. Simply go there and click on these extensions and search for Docker. See, there are many extensions will come. You have to choose the authorized one. So how we can get the authorized means there is a blue tick available based on that, and also you can see the number of downloads and number of stars ratings. So based on click on this and it will take some time to install. So you can see here, but so whenever you saving the creating the Docker file, you have to mention the things like this, Docker DOCKERFL. This is the naming convention you have to follow. So how you can decide whether it's the right one or not, you can get this icon. So at the like once you go there, if it is a python.py, then you will get the icon like this. In the same way, if it is a Docker properly installed, then you can get the icon like this. So that's how we can figure out. So okay, I think it's installed. Okay, let me check here. Okay, install. So let me run this command like docker. Yeah, so I think it's installed properly. See, again, get the clear commands. So yes, Docker is perfectly installed in my system. That's it, guys. Let's let's see what happens in the next videos.